So the truth is Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So I know it's been a little while since I've made my last video, almost a month, and I've honestly been dreading making this video for you guys, and so I've been holding off until I truly knew what to say or what I wanted to do next. If you guys haven't seen my channel before, I purchased my 2021 Tesla Model 3 last December in 2020 and have been making videos ever since about the basics of Tesla ownership and how to use your Tesla and all the different functions and features. So if you're interested in learning more about Teslas, make sure to check out my other videos. I will link a few above and after this video as well. But that is not the reason why I am making this video. And I think you guys probably could assume at this point something is up because I was so consistent about posting and then I stopped for a little bit and I came back and then now I've stopped again. And well, you're right. I mean, life is crazy and unpredictable, and that's exactly what has happened to me right now. It's pretty confusing, and it's just one of those times in my life where I don't exactly know what's next, and that's okay, but it doesn't make me feel very comfortable. So I've been just trying to hold off until I figured it out to really talk to you guys about it, because this channel does mean a lot to me, and it does mean a lot to me to have these connections with you guys. The truth is, I sold my Tesla. Yes, I sold it. I sold it a couple weeks ago, and I sold it to Carvana for over $56,000. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love a good deal. And since I got more than I even paid for the Tesla, it was almost real hard to say no to that. This decision was so hard too, because I basically had this Tesla throughout my entire YouTube channel, and it helped me grow my YouTube channel, and for that I am super sentimental and I love the Tesla. And if you guys clicked on this video because you want to hear me say, oh, don't buy a Tesla, I'm not gonna say that in this video because I truly loved my Tesla. But now you guys are gonna say, well, if you loved it so much, why are you selling it, or why did you sell it? And that question is so hard, and I don't think I'm going to answer it in this video. I hate when people do that. I really hate when you watch a video and they don't tell you all of the details, but I don't think it's gonna make sense until I do the next video, and my format will change a little bit, and you'll start to see my channel evolve, as any channel does. So if you're interested in actually why I am selling it or why I did sell it, then you should check out my next video, because I'll go more in detail about exactly why I chose to do that. One of the reasons though, like I just mentioned, was definitely because we got over $56,000 for it. I paid around, I think, $52,000, $53,000 for it. So, I mean, that was pretty good. And I was considering selling it even before that because of just my circumstances have changed. And it just, all the stars aligned on it, and it just seemed like the right thing to do. So your next question is probably going to be, well, Carter, what the heck are you doing with this channel? And that is a really great question, and why I haven't been filming for the last month, because I didn't know. I knew that I didn't want to be a Tesla news channel. That wasn't really what I wanted to do. I don't think that enhances my strengths, and so I've been kind of doing a lot of soul searching, trying to figure it out. If you guys want to give your opinion, I would love to hear it about how you would like to see my channel evolve. Please put it in the comments down below, and I will definitely read all of them. I think I have found my direction, and you'll see that in my next video. I will still make some Tesla videos. I do have some still scheduled in. So if you're still interested in watching Tesla, it's still going to be there. It's just not as prominent as it once was. To be completely transparent with you guys, I had a really hard time towards the end figuring out the videos I even wanted to make. I think I made all of the videos that I wanted to on Tesla and all of the basics, and I was really reaching for other videos at the end, and I didn't feel like I was always giving my best work because it wasn't inspiring me anymore, and I just didn't have anything else to say. Like, how much can you really say about a car? So I struggled with that a lot without going into news, like what the heck else could I talk about? And I just couldn't figure it out. Sometimes I would have a few ideas, and it's just a lot of repeat videos over and over and over, and I don't know, it just kind of drained me of my creativity a little bit. So I think any channel is going to evolve a little bit, and this is just my time to evolve this channel into something that is more sustainable for me, and also something that you guys will still want to see and still enjoy. So I'm working on that currently. Would love your suggestions, but this is just another phase in my life, another phase in the channel, and you will start to see that change very, very soon. So I'm really excited to make some more content for you guys, get kind of back on my schedule that I was on before, doing a little bit different thing than I usually do. Lastly, I just want to say thank you for being here. I have genuinely loved making connections with you guys and learning about your life, and it's just been so much fun for me, and one of the reasons why I really love YouTube. I personally do YouTube, I think, as a little bit of an escape to get my mind off of everything that's going on outside of YouTube. And it's been a really good way for me to be able to still be creative while still working on my job and also being a wife. So I really have loved making all these connections with you guys, and I want to continue to do that. So I hope that you will stick around to see how this channel evolves and also figure out why I sold my Tesla. There is a huge reason why. Also, if you want to guess why I sold it, feel free. You're not going to hurt my feelings. Please put it in the comments as well. I definitely sold it for a very specific reason. So if you're interested in guessing, I would love to see what your guesses are, and I will do my final reveal in my next video. But thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video if you're still here watching, and I can't wait to show you what's next. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.